In today's video, I'm going to be talking about beta-alanine supplementation. Basically, the 101, the beginner's guide. Let's go. Hi, I'm Alex, a sports dietitian and nutrition coach. Welcome to my channel. Great to have you here. So as you would know as an athlete, there's so many supplements out there and you never know which one should I be taking, which one's safe, which one actually works, okay, which one's complete rubbish. There's all these questions you've got to ask about supplements in general. But today we're going to be talking about a specific supplement called beta-alanine. And I'm going to be breaking down what it is, what does it do, how can it help you as an athlete and active individual, and what's the general regimen around it, as well as just some final considerations about this supplement. So if you're interested about beta-alanine supplements, and whether you yourself should maybe be considering it, keep on watching. You're going to find out today. So first, let's talk about what is it? Okay, what is beta-alanine? Well, beta-alanine is a non-essential amino acid, aka it's a protein, and it's a popular supplement among athletes and also active individuals, such as gym goers, weekend warriors. You know what I mean. You typically find it as a powder that you then mix in as part of a drink and drink it. Simple. So in other words, it's a very specialized protein supplement. See, the interesting thing is that beta-alanine doesn't actually get involved in the muscle building process, despite the fact that it is a protein. Instead, this is what beta-alanine does in the body. So beta-alanine, together with histidine, which funny enough is an essential amino acid, produces carnosine, which is then stored in the muscles. Carnosine reduces lactic acid accumulation in the muscles during exercise. That's essentially the kind of basics of it. There is like a more detailed breakdown, but you can always search for that if you're interested in the more sciencey stuff around it. But essentially that's what it does. Beta-alanine together with histidine creates carnosine, which is then stored in the muscles, and that helps reduce lactic acid buildup during exercise. Quite simply, by reducing lactic acid buildup in the muscles during high intensity exercise, beta-alanine can help improve your performance. More specifically, there are a couple ways that it can involve this process. Firstly, it can help reduce time to exhaustion, aka reducing fatigue. So when your muscles have less lactic acid buildup, obviously you're going to be able to perform for longer. Not only is that going to help you directly in terms of performance, because let's say you're playing a game, let's say you're playing a basketball game, it can help you go for longer there, but it can also help you train better as well, which can help with adaptations and overall improving yourself. Now, another way that indirectly beta-alanine has been shown to potentially help is in the improvement of body composition. And this kind of goes hand in hand with what I just said, hence why I wanted you to know this, is that by reducing that buildup of lactic acid, by being able to train harder and longer, you can then therefore indirectly help you build muscle, lose body fat, all that sort of stuff to help improve your body composition. So the thing about beta-alanine that you need to know when it comes to improving your performance is that it specifically helps in high intensity exercise of a short duration. Specifically exercise that goes to the maximal capacity of your body, and also about 1 to 6 minutes as a rough guide. That's where beta-alanine has been truly shown to help you as an active individual. Best results have been shown for when someone consistently takes beta-alanine every single day of about 2 to 6 grams per day. However, so beta-alanine being a specialized sports supplement, before you even consider taking it, you should speak to your doctor and you should work with a sports dietitian so they can tailor it to you, determine if it's actually good for you, if it's safe for you, okay, if you should be taking it. Because these are things that you need to be considering for all supplements, but especially for something like a sports supplement like beta-alanine, because it's so specialized and specific for a purpose. You want to determine, is it actually worth it, first of all? You don't want to spend your hard-earned money on it if it's not going to be helping you. And then secondly, you want to make sure, is it actually is good for your situation specifically? And thirdly, kind of linked in with that one, is it actually safe for you? As well as that's just kind of hypothetically assume that you should, that you could benefit from beta-alanine. You want to determine the right dose and the right regimen, and that's where a sports dietitian can help you. In fact, if you're interested in working with a sports dietitian, well, you know that I'm a sports dietitian, so if you are interested, let's have a chat. There are links in the description that's below about how you can apply or how to reach out to me via email. But otherwise, you can just contact me on Instagram. I don't really care. And just let me know. Let me know that you're looking for a sports dietitian. Let's have a chat, see what you're trying to achieve, see if I can be the right fit to help you. and then we go from there. So there you go, that's beta-alanine supplementation in a nutshell. Hopefully now you know what it is, what does it do, how could it potentially help you, and now it's your turn to determine, is this something you want to consider? And if so, talk to the doctor, like I said, and come and speak to me as a sports dietitian. I can help you take out the guesswork with supplements and truly find your right direction when it comes to your nutrition. Now, I want you to comment below, okay? Let me know in the comments below, have you ever used beta-alanine? I'm actually curious, have you ever used beta-alanine? Drop a note in the comments below. Now hit the like button if this video has been helpful and you enjoyed learning about beta-alanine supplements. And before I let you go, remember subscribe to the channel so you can stay in the loop whenever I release a video. And while you're at it, might as well hit that bell. Until next time, stay classy, have a good one, see you later, bye.